You won't want to miss this information. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who is well known for his contentious remarks, made yet another audacious claim. While many people tend to ignore Musk's remarks since they are probably absurd, others continue to have faith in the billionaire businessman. I believe that Tesla has a future worth that exceeds the combined value of Apple and Saudi Aramco. Musk stated in the most recent Q3 2022 earnings call that Tesla's mission is to accelerate the advent of sustainable transport by bringing compelling mass-market electric cars, which goes against Saudi Aramco's. However, many don't see how Tesla is relevant to these two companies. Musk has always been vocal about his stance about how much he would like to see a clean future environmentally. On the other hand, Apple is one of the world's tech giants. Tesla, although a car company, is not just about cars. It is also branching out into artificial intelligence robots and batteries. Officially known as the Saudi Arabian Oil Company, or simply Aramco, is a Saudi Arabian public petroleum and natural gas company based in Tehran. Not only does Musk's mention of the aforementioned companies seem irrelevant, but in the aforementioned Q3 earnings call, Musk stated that several years prior, during our earnings call, he expressed his belief that Tesla could surpass Apple, which at the time was the highest cap company in the market. At that time, Apple was valued at approximately $700 billion, and Musk now believes that Tesla is nearly worth the same amount based on the company's market capitalization. The Tesla CEO now thinks the firm can well surpass Apple's present market value. In fact, I envision a hypothetical scenario where Tesla is worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. Tesla has really surpassed Apple's market cap at that point. Musk stated in reference Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated later in the call that although he had previously stated that he now saw a path in which incredible execution would require a significant amount of hard work and some luck to get Tesla with as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, he had not included Optimus. If the humanoid robot Optimus performs well, Musk believes that Tesla will be worth approximately $4 trillion. Apple's market capitalization is approximately $2.3 trillion, while Saudi Aramco is a proxy. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated that the company will expand its solar and energy storage business in 2000 to 2022, indicating a fairly large clean energy market. Due in significant part to the utility-scale Megapack product's high sales, Tesla's energy storage deployments climbed by 32% in 2021 compared to 2020. From 2020 to 2021, the number of solar deployments rose by 68, totaling 345 megawatts for the year. Musk acknowledged that supply chain limitations had hampered the expansion of Tesla's energy sector, but he also stated that, if the problems with the supply chain are fixed, the company intends to increase production and deployment more quickly than the manufacturing of vehicles. Despite some disappointment, Q3 2022 production and delivery figures demonstrated that Tesla had effectively increased production. Although there have been skepticisms about the declining demand for Tesla automobiles, analysts think this is not the case. Thus, ARK invests when Tasha Keeney joined CNBC Squawk Box in mid-October. She stated, "I think there are demand fair years out there, but I think they're unfounded," citing publications and analyst opinions. ARK Finance. For macroeconomic concerns, I would be much more concerned about the companies that have the majority of their revenues dedicated to gas-powered car sales, because that's what we think is going to decline in the future as EVs becomes more cost-competitive, says Keeney. Keeney believes that this is due to Wright's law. CFA looks at EVs as a percentage of overall auto sales. According to her, there was something like 7% of total vehicle sales last year that said ARK saw gas-powered cars. Wright's law tries to offer a trustworthy framework for predicting cost decline as a function of cumulative production. Specifically, it states that costs will decrease by a fixed percentage for every doubling of units produced. Because of this, ARK believes that battery decline costs will decrease at a rate of about 30% for each cumulative doubling of production, which will drive down sticker prices and increase demand. Musk also believes that even though the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates more than necessary, they will eventually realize this and lower the rate once again. The Tesla CEO stated, I cannot emphasize how much demand we have for Q4 and how far ahead we expect to sell every card we make. In addition, Tesla is still working on improving its battery cell design. The 4680 battery is a new lithium battery cell that offers a table list cell that can hold 5 times the energy capacity of a standard 18,650 battery and produce up to 6 times the power. According to Tesla, the 4680 battery offers more than 16% more range than the 18,650, allowing the BA when comparing the 4680 battery to the 18,650. The larger capacity of the 4680 battery will allow Tesla to install fewer cells that will provide the same power and range, but at a much lower cost. Although Musk acknowledged that he had trouble getting his 4680 cells to live up to his expectations in the previous quarter, the volume has now tripled quarter over quarter, and the focus is shifting towards optimizing cost. Our production of 4680 cells has tripled in Q3 compared to the previous quarter. Musk stated that Musk expressed his belief in the 4680 batteries, saying, "We still feel confident that 4680 will be the most competitive battery cell in the world." Musk added that the company is working hard to produce 1,000 gigawatt-hours of in-house 4680 batteries annually in the US alone, covering all major battery cell processing steps, all the way down to the production of anodes and cathodes, and even lithium refining. As reported by Reuters, the US-based automaker Tesla is actually looking to build a facility to process raw ore material into a usable state for battery production. This is because, as a key component in EV batteries, lithium hydroxide is expected to be shipped to various Tesla battery manufacturing factories through trucks and rail in the application. This information was discovered in mid-September, when the company sent a letter to the Texas Comptroller's office. In order to promote its sustainable product line, Tesla stated that it is also taking into account alternative battery materials processing, refining, manufacturing, and ancillary manufacturing processes. As reported by the publication, Musk had previously indicated that, should approval be granted, the company might jump straight into the mining and refining of lithium at large scale, given the company's plans to begin construction on the implant in the fourth quarter of 2022 and begin commercial production by the end of 2024. According to Bloomberg News, innovative technologies will be used at Tesla's new factory to produce usable byproducts and utilize fewer toxic reagents than the traditional method. As automakers attempt to secure the supply of lithium, prices of which have escalated this year owing to various factors, Tesla may become the first in the auto industry to make a direct investment in lithium refining. Increasing demand in the industry currently, in addition to working with Panasonic as a partner at its Gigafactory in Nevada, where it produces batteries for its electric vehicles and energy storage devices, Tesla also wants to open a new Gigafactory in Texas, which will be situated just outside of Austin. As a whole, it is becoming increasingly evident that despite the fact that Tesla's primary product is electric vehicles, the EV company is now branching out into other industries in search of a cleaner and brighter future. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more crazy news about Tesla stock. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has big plans for the company, and they aren't just pipe dreams either. The entire Tesla team is working tirelessly to perfect Tesla products through research, development, and product.